Hey everyone, this is Karen Waksman, founder of Retail MBA. Today we're going to be talking about marketing. So if you have a great product and you're thinking about working with these retailers, this little training will give you some things to think about in regards to supporting you with that. With that said, let's get started on today's training.
In just about every workshop or class that I've ever taught, people have always asked me, Karen, do I need $1 million marketing budget to sell to these big box stores? I'm a small company. I don't have a lot of cash flow. But is it even worth selling to the big box stores because do they need these $1 million marketing budgets? What's the expectation here and is it even possible? And so I really want to touch upon that because I think it's so important because I realized over the years of teaching, people don't sell to the big box stores because they truly believe that they need these millions of dollars to even get started. And I'm here to say that you absolutely do not need $1 million marketing budget to sell to the big box stores. Obviously, it would be nice if you had a ton of money and you can go and just make everything fabulous, but that's not the way the world works. And today, if you go into these big box stores at Walmart or department stores or whatever, you're always seeing new innovative products there. There's always that next new cool product on the store shelves. A lot of these guys were small companies who are selling to these big box stores, and I guarantee you that they do not have $1 million marketing budget. So the answer is no. And so the thing about that, though, is that you do need to be able to support the retailers in regards to helping them drive traffic to the stores, right? So what that basically means is if a buyer buys your product from you, and so one of the things that they want to know is that you're going to help them sell this thing because they don't want to be just because they're buying your product doesn't mean that you're done there. They actually want you to help them, right? Makes sense. They want to make money and they want you to be a partner. And so the expectation is that you've actually thought this through and how you're going to help them. And so that's one of the things that you talk about in your meetings, obviously, about how you're going to support them. And so it doesn't take $1 million marketing budget to let people know about your product being in a store, but you do need to be creative, all sorts of different ways that you can support yourself in driving traffic to those stores that do not take $1 million, but it really does come down to creativity. And I can go on and on about all the different ways to market your product and get people to your stores and everything. And I actually talk about that in my Retail MBA course. But to answer your question, please do not assume that you need $1 million marketing budget. You just need to get creative in driving traffic, getting people to go to the stores to buy your products when you're working with these big box stores. And the buyers are cool with that as long as you show that you're a partner.